Australian Mathematics Curriculum, the distributive law, expanding brackets. If we're asked to expand brackets, we need to multiply the term outside the brackets, in this case -3, by each term inside the brackets. Here I've got x and 4. This will simply give us our answer. We'll go into y later. Multiply -3 times x, -3x, and then -3 times 4, -12. And our answer is -3x minus 12. You'll notice we're being very careful here with our signs. -3 out the front times positives inside means I get negative answers. Another example. Here I've got a -1 out the front. Just a minus in front of a set of brackets means there's an invisible 1 out the front. Let's get rid of that. So -1, or -1, times -x. Negative times a negative is a positive. 1 times x is just x. -1 times 2. A negative times a positive is a negative. 1 times 2 is 2. I get x minus 2. It's worth noting when you multiply something by -1, all that happens is we get the signs changing to the opposite. A longer example. Here we'll be asked to expand the brackets and then simplify by gathering like terms. We're going to be very careful when we get to this -x over here. But we'll start with our first set of brackets. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times 4 plus 8x. It's plus because our answer, positive 2x times positive 4, was positive. So we've dealt with this bracket. Now I need to do -x times x. That's minus x squared, and -x times -3, that's plus 3x. Notice we need to be very careful about what's happening there, that we're multiplying by -x. Simplify by gathering like terms. 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. And change colors. Plus 8x plus 3x plus 11x. And I have my answer. An interesting way of looking at expanding brackets is imagining we're finding the area of a rectangle where one length is x and one length is x plus 2. Sorry about any noise we're picking up in the background of this video. There's a class outside. Area is length times width. If we assume that the length of this rectangle is x, we're multiplying that by x plus 2. If we expand that out, x squared plus 2x, you'll see that this square here, its area would be x squared because it's x times x, and this square or rectangle here is 2 times x, or 2x, and we got the same solution doing this either way, letting us know that the distributive law for expanding brackets does work.